Let me share with you how to make fantastic fried spring rolls at home. The goal is to create something so crispy and satisfying that you will find it difficult to stop after eating just one. We start by preparing the egg. Pour your beaten egg into a lightly oiled pan, spreading it into a thin, even layer. Cook it until it is fully set and firm. Then gently roll this flat egg sheet and slice it into thin, delicate strips. Set these beautiful strips aside for later. For the vegetables, we will use 1 large carrot and 1 medium zucchini, both shredded. Place them into a mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it thoroughly with your hands. Let this mixture sit for about 10 minutes. The salt will pull the extra water out of the vegetables, which is a crucial step for a crisp result. After the vegetables have rested, you will see water at the bottom of the bowl. Take handfuls of vegetable mixture and firmly squeeze out all the remaining liquid over the sink. This ensures your filling is not wet and your spring rolls stay crispy. Place the dry, squeezed vegetables back into the bowl. Add the egg strips, a handful of chopped wood ear mushrooms, and a small packet of softened glass noodles. For seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese starting spice. Mix everything together until it is perfectly combined. I'm using reliable brand of spring roll wrappers. The package contains 25 thin sheets. They have a lovely mild aroma and are strong and stretchy, which makes them ideal for rolling without tearing. Place a single wrapper on your work surface. Put about 2 tablespoons of the filling near one end. Carefully fold the sides of the wrapper inward over the filling, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. Use a small amount of beaten egg on the final edge to seal the roll completely. This creates a neat, secure package. Pour cooking oil into a deep pot or wok enough to fully submerge the spring rolls. Heat the oil until it shimmers. You can test it by dipping a wooden chopstick in. If small bubbles form around it, the oil is ready. Gently place the spring rolls in the hot oil. Fry the spring rolls over a steady medium heat. This allows the inside to cook through while the outside turns a deep golden brown and becomes wonderfully crispy. It should take about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove them when they are uniformly golden and let the excess oil drip off. You are now left with perfectly crispy spring rolls. The outside shatters delicately with each bite, revealing a hot, savory, and incredibly flavorful filling inside. This is a truly crowd-pleasing dish that is sure to bring smiles to your table.